Top 12 Data Science and AI Projects for the coming year 2026, curated by Shweta, which is from the Tech Concepts YouTube channel. Let's start with the first one, which is AI driven retail demand forecasting using the machine learning important time series forecasting model, which is SARIMAX, as well as the longest pattern detection, as well as a long time dependencies deep learning model, which is LSTM, as well as we can use the XGBoost, which is a boosting method for the machine learning. So here is the category is time series as well as forecasting, and use case combines classical plus deep learning forecasting for inventory optimization. We can have a better planning in our inventory used by the retail, FMCG, as well as e-commerce companies. Second is which is a support chatbot using RAG as well as LangChain as well as FAISS. So which is usually for any organization we need of one chatbot who can communicate with our customers. The category is generative AI as well as natural language processing. Use cases is builds an intelligent assistant that retrieves real data from PDFs or knowledge bases from the document of our company, which is widely used in enterprise chatbots. Third one is which is AI based dynamic pricing system using reinforcement learning. Here the category is optimization with the artificial intelligence as well as reinforcement learning, where we can simulate the airline or e-commerce pricing to maximize the revenue, which is mainly useful for the e-commerce as well as travel industries. Fourth is sales and marketing analytics dashboard, where we can use the database SQL, Python coding as well as Power BI dashboard, where the category comes under analytics and visualization, where it combines ETL, insights and data storytelling used mainly for decision making and performance tracking. Coming to the fifth, which is social media sentiment analysis using large language models, which is maybe BERT or Roberta as well as Mistral, and where categories falls under natural language processing as well as sentiment analysis. Use cases where it analyzes customer sentiment for brands or elections using transformer models. Sixth is AI powered resume screener as well as a job matcher, which is very important for the freshers, LLM and semantic searches, where the category belongs to generative AI, NLP as well as HR tech, where use cases is ranks resumes against the job descriptions using embeddings as well as similarity search process. Fifth is energy demand and consumption forecasting, where which takes a SARIMAX, Profit, LSTM type of models in the machine learning and which falls under the time series and energy tech. Use cases is predicts the electricity or gas usage as well as supporting the smart grid planning and energy optimization. Eighth one is very important, which is product recommendation engine, which is a hybrid collaborative plus content based, where category falls in the machine learning as well as recommender as like your Netflix, and use cases is builds the personalized recommendations for users used in e-commerce as well as OTT platform. Ninth is AI driven news summarization system, where LLM fine tuning as well as RAG comes into picture. Category falls under generative AI as well as natural language processing. Use cases is summarizing the news or documents using LLM as well as retrieval techniques for faster insight. Last but not the least, 10th is real-time fraud detection system, where we can use a Kafka, PySpark for a processing distribution and as well as ML model. Category is streaming for a big data processing as well as ML as well as finance. Use cases detects the fraudulent transactions in real time using streaming and ML pipelines. Let me give you two more things. 11th project is predictive maintenance for IoT, Internet on Things, where devices using XGBoost as well as LSTM. Category is IoT, ML and time series. Use cases comes under forecasting the equipment failure for predictive maintenance as well as in the manufacturing as well as logistic type of domain. And last 12th, I'm giving you the important projects for the year 2026, which is AI generated insights dashboard Data analyst is more demanded as compared to data science nowadays. So LLM plus LangChain plus SQL agent, through that you can have a better insight dashboard for a AI generated, where it is a category belongs to generative AI, BI automation, and use cases allows NLP queries to generate a data insight automatically using AI agents. I hope this video is useful for the freshers as well as experienced people who can switch into data science as well as data analyst. Thank you.